Hey, Jason from xFanatical here. In this short video, I'm going to demonstrate how you can automate and schedule the delete user function in Google Workspace using Foresight. Let's suppose an example case. Mr. Carlos Kohler and Ms. Laura Sample will work in the week of October 21, 2022, provided that today's October 12. As a corporate policy, we will need to delete and clean suspended user accounts by the end of the month, October 31, 2022. We created a time-based rule in Foresight to delete these two user accounts in advance. Here are the users that we want to delete. Let's see it in action. Step 1. Open your rules page. Step 2. Click the blue New Rule button at the bottom right to create a rule. Step 3. In the Selected Trigger page, select Time as the trigger. Time trigger means doing some actions once in the future. Note the trigger time must be at least 15 minutes from your current time. Step 4. In the Edit Trigger page, select a future time using the Date and Time picker. This is the time users will be deleted. If you have users due to be deleted on different dates and times, create one rule for each due date and time. Step 5. Click Next. Step 6. In the Select an Action page, click Delete User. This action allows you to delete an individual account from your Google Workspace domain. Step 7. In the Edit Actions page, type in the primary email of user to be deleted. Grant the access permission from your Google account for the first time. Please note, deleting a user requires an access permission to your Google Workspace domain and admin API enabled in Admin Console. Otherwise, the actions will fail by the time it runs. Step 8. Optional. To delete more users at the same time, click the plus button at the tab head and add another delete user action. Step 9. Click Review. Step 10. On the Review page, give the rule a name for yourself to identify. Meanwhile, a visualized automation graph is generated for a better understanding of what's in the rule. Step 11. Click Create. The dialog will close and you will see a card created on the Rules page. By default, the rule is active when first created. Step 12. You are all set. Take a break. Everything will be automated by Foresight. As you can see in the Google Admin Console that both users are deleted now. Step 13. On the due time of user suspension, Foresight will notify you if the rule is executed well and if some actions failed. Check the notification on the top right. If you have yet to install Foresight, apply for a 14 days trial.